Hey, what's up guys, and welcome to my channel. Now as we know that lockdown period is going on and going out is not an option right now, but staying at home at the same time is super boring, and hence today I'll show you how to take awesome smoke photography from the scrap you have in your home. So without wasting time, let's go to my room. So now I'll show you what I actually did on screen. That is nothing, just on this table I have put the bottle right there, incense sticks over it, a black background, that is the art paper on some board I have pasted, and on the 45-degree angle I have a light source there, right there. Now that is pretty much all we need, and next I'll be shooting from here. I'll stand here and I'll shoot from here 90 degree to it, such that the light source will be diagonal. Now you can see here what's going on. Both the incense sticks have been lighted up and the light is coming 45 degree from them. That is the smoke. We have our background there and I'm shooting right from this spot. Now we'll be editing this photo in the next video. You can find the link at the I button or the description, and that's pretty much of it. Now I'll just go on shooting.